The entire top floor of this 10,000 square foot house is done. The guys did an amazing job as always. I'm not normally doing the physical labor so much anymore because, hey, I shouldn't have to. But on big jobs, I'm right there with them. I like showing the young bucks that I can still carry furniture and still keep up with them. But I love it when we get to the point on the floor when everything is out and I get to do this. Keep watching these videos and see this project all the way through to the end.